Greetings, kinetics class. Just wanted to give you a brief review and also let you know what's coming tomorrow in tomorrow's class. Remember that in the last class we began with a brief review of units, and then we looked at kcat over km as a specificity constant, which was very important in us understanding the relative reactivity of various substrates that could compete for an enzyme. We looked at various limits for kcat over km. We saw that in one extreme it goes to the on rate constant K1, and in the other extreme it's in rapid equilibrium and has a limit of K1, K2 over K minus 1. We also looked at how to sketch out the reactions in terms of energy profiles and to relate those to the rate constants. We also looked at perturbations to the energy profiles in competing substrates, substrate A and substrate B, and saw how those could affect the individual rate constants, K1, K minus 1 over K2. What I'd like to do tomorrow is continue to look at the energy profiles and take another limit. We last time looked at where substrate is much less than Km. I'd like to show you what happens when the substrate is greater than Km, or under saturation conditions. How do we draw the energy profiles? And then we'll move on to the other two topics that I promised you, which are kinetic shortcuts as well as pseudo first order rate constants. In the email that this message is going to be found in will be a link to a quiz program called Quizlet, and I've dropped 4 different kinetics reviews in there, so please take a shot at those. I think you'll find them pretty straightforward, especially the first 3. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow. If you get the chance, please review especially that 3rd lecture, which I think has a fair amount of complexity. Be good to look over before tomorrow. See you then.